Hey, hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we are going to sit down and we are going to create this really blue makeup look today. I've seen blue makeup looks going around everywhere, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. I'm seeing these blue makeup looks. So I wanted to sit down and try a blue makeup look out. I also tried kind of a new technique out as well. I definitely didn't master it. I'm going to definitely keep trying to get better because it's my first time doing an eye. I've only done this kind of eye a couple times and I don't think I'm great at it, so I want to keep trying to do that. So if you're curious to see how I created this look, as well as, yeah, I guess just if you wanted to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. First, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial. See, I have already done my brows as well as gotten my lids ready, so I just went in with Tarte Shape Tape to conceal or prime my lids, and then I just set it with a white shadow, just whatever you have in your collection. I just went in with my Full Spectrum by Urban Decay and just in the shade Bump right here, and I just set that just because we are going in with colorful shades today, so I want everything to be as vibrant as it possibly can, so that's why I went in with a white shadow to start the look. So for this look today, I'm going to primarily be using, for the shadows, the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. So for this look, we're doing like a halo-y eye. I'm just gonna start directly. I'm not gonna go in with the transition shade or anything like that. I'm gonna go directly into that shade there and start shaping out how I want like the shape of my eye to look. I'm just starting by placing that shade right in the center of my lid and then bringing it down. So next, to blend that blue out, I'm gonna go into this like pinky purpley shade here, and I'm gonna use that just to blend it out just with a small blending brush that I have. And then just going back into the blue, that same brush we used previously, and just building up that color again. Just because with some blending that we've done, we've kind of diffused that shade a little bit. I'm just gonna go into a little bit of black, and I'm just grabbing a black from my Urban Decay and Gwen Stefani palette. Doesn't matter, use whatever black you have, honestly. And I am just gonna take like the smallest amount, so literally just like, boop, like one tap, tap it off. And I just wanna deepen it up just a smidge. So I'm now going to go back into my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to cut my lid with this. So I'm just grabbing like a flat type of brush, picking up a good amount of concealer. And just making like a little square kind of. And I'm getting so low on my Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, and I want to order more, but it's so expensive. I'm going to go back to that blue shade we've been using and just diffuse right in between where that concealer was put down, just to kind of start the blend. I'm just doing little tiny wiggling motions right at that line, and that's just gonna just blend everything together without bringing that shadow too far in. Next, I think I want to go in with a pigment. So I brought up two pigments here. I have the Marsk Sydney London pigment in Your Toast. It's a mineral eyeshadow, and then the Naked Cosmetics in Sierra Nevada. I think I'm gonna go in with the Naked Cosmetics just because it has a little bit more glitter in it, it looks like. So I'm just gonna go in, pick up a little bit. I'm just gonna spray my brush as well because it's gonna hold the product a little bit easier since it is a loose pigment. It has something wet to grab to. Excuse me. With something like this, you could even go in with a glitter glue and that would really like grab the product. But I don't know where mine is right now. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into this purple up in this top corner here, in the middle here. And I'm just gonna put that on either side of where we just put that glitter, or loose pigment, I guess. I'm just gonna clean up down here. And then I'm just gonna apply my foundation, concealer, powder, and then we'll be back to finish up the eyes. Does anybody else have a problem with like losing everything they touch? Because my lash glue has literally just disappeared. Like, how do I lose my freaking lash glue? There it is. Found it. Okay, so while we're waiting for those lashes to dry, we're gonna go back in with the blue again. And I'm gonna bring that in 3/4 of the way, just leaving the center of the lower lash line open. And then for the middle part, I'm gonna go and do the purple. I'm gonna finish off the lower lash line in just a second. But first, I'm just curling my lashes. And I'm gonna go in with my mascara. And then lastly, I'm just gonna go back into that pink shade just up here and just ever so slightly run that under everything. Grabbing that Naked Cosmetics pigment again, I'm going to put that just on my inner corners and right underneath the brow bone. So I am just gonna hop over and finish off my face to start with the Pure Mineral Glow bronzer. As you can see, I've hit pan. I love this bronzer. It's like my favorite bronzer. And I'm just going to just slightly warm my face up because this foundation shade is quite a little bit too dark for me. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Then I'm just gonna pop over to my Shade and Light palette and go into this shade here. And I'm just gonna contour with that shade. For blush, I have been really liking this Pretty Vulgar blush in Hush Blush. So I'm gonna go in with that. Now it is really pigmented, I have come to learn, so you just need a really small amount on your blush brush. For highlight today, I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. And I'm gonna go in with this shade here today. And I'm actually going to wet my brush because I want a pretty intense metallic highlight today. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty lip contour in Trendsetter just to line my lips because I am going in with quite a pale nude, a very pale nude. So I just want to line my lips with something a little bit darker than I would, or a little bit darker than the color. Excuse my dog, I don't know what he's barking at. For my lips today, I'm going to go in with a skin color nude. Like this is nude nude. I never really wear this unless I'm brightening another liquid lipstick up, but because my lids are like so blue, so intense, I really want my lips to be really nude and like glossy. So I'm going to go in with a lip gloss after this, but first I'm going to go in with a Sephora cream lip stain, and this is in the shade 32. I don't know. We'll see about this. Yeah, like look how nude that is. This is Myth. This is just as bad as Myth. Okay, so I just went in with a little bit more after I applied the liquid lip, just to deepen it up a little bit. Not a fan. This is just the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Snobby, and I'm gonna put that on to just gloss up the lip a little bit more and just make everything look juicy, because with a nude lip, if it's not glossy, I am not wearing it. Alright you guys, and this is the completed, oh, I have to set my face. Just going in with the Cover FX Illuminizing Setting Spray. And I forgot to add Bottom Lash Mascara. Alright you guys, and this is the completed makeup look today. It's something a little bit different. I never really do this, so I need some practice. Obviously, it's not the best thing I've done. Like I said, I don't really do this type of eye, so I want to keep pushing myself to try it. For the longest time, I couldn't do like the half cut crease, and then I just kept pushing, kept pushing, kept pushing, kept doing it. And then now I think I pretty much, in my opinion, have mastered the half cut crease. So I really want to learn how to do this eye better and better each time I do it. So I'm going to continue to do so and keep trying it. Of course, new things is fun. This lip's a little bit nude, but I actually kind of like it with this look. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.